Ka Kyrteng jong National People's Party syaka election MP Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Seat ka Agatha kes sangma haka arpun tere ulber arjar persau kalawan men Thep Kyrteng yela dia bani aireng yakani election ke banlong haka khat khandai tere uyoyong arjar persau haka ni ke Jingleit Thep Kyrteng la Synran lang ya Agatha dau Conrad kes sangma National President jong NPP Ubadiru Menteri Rangba ka Jella uba Prestone tensong State President ka National People's Party ka kemi jong Agatha nalor ki weipat kumpan syukudau ba ka NPP ka penyang Kyrteng dagi long kemi na baro at lagi parliamentary seat haka Jella kata Natura da ka Agatha sangma bat na Shillong parliamentary seat pat da ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo.
Hi. All the best.
Even I feel that this election is more about continuing on the path of development, and I feel that because NPP has given such a in these 6 years wonderful performance in its governance, and me being a member of the NPP and being a member of parliament belonging to the NPP, it is a teamwork, and Mandirang Angna Puna Odi, it's a sign that the team and the entire NPP is something that is accepted by the people.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya